Hi, my name is Rachel. This is Flow on Yoga, and today we're going to do a Savasana tutorial. So this is usually our final resting pose that we do at the end of a practice, and I'm just going to show you a few ways to use some different props to make sure that you get in a comfortable Shavasana so you can get the benefits of Shavasana. Because if your back is hurting or if you're uncomfortable, you're not going to be able to really get into that relaxed, comfortable position to enjoy your Shavasana as much as you should. So I'm going to kind of put these off to the side. The ground's a little wet, so they might kind of be in the way of my feet. But to start off, just a normal Shavasana, you're just going to kind of come here onto your back. Okay, I'm going to have to move these. Onto your back. Your feet kind of go towards the corners of your mat. And then your hands come down by your sides, palms up. Or you can have them here if you want on your belly. And then once you get into this position, obviously you want your gaze to be up. You can kind of adjust to find it to be a little bit more comfortable. What I like to do is I take my shoulder blades and I kind of tuck them behind my back a little closer together, and this allows my shoulders to relax down more. And letting my hands go like this. And letting your feet relax and kind of go out towards the sides. For me, with my inwardly rotated tight hips, me feeling like my legs going out to the side is actually, my feet are still pretty much straight up, but they feel like they're going this way, and that's what's important. And then you just kind of settle in. Now, if this doesn't feel good for you for whatever reason, maybe you have low back pain, maybe you have neck issues, leg issues, whatever, there's a couple options of things you could do. So the first one, and this is really good if maybe if you're pregnant, like pretty far along, or you just have a lot of back pain, you can just do your Shavasana on your side, using your arm as a pillow, just like this, maybe bringing your knees in a little more, just finding whatever's comfortable for you. So we can do a fetal position Shavasana. And then this is also a place where we can use some of our props. You can use an actual pillow for your head if you want, just like this. Or we can use some of these props for our Shavasana. So I'm going to use this one for my head. I'm going to use this one for underneath my knees, like this. And this is good if you have some low back pain, putting something underneath your knees. It just came unrolled a little. Putting something to give a little height underneath your knees can really relieve some of that low back pressure that you feel. And if this is still not enough, and a lot of times studio blankets are a little bigger than my blanket, you can also just put a whole pillow up underneath there, kind of just like this, and that can just, like I said, give a lot of relief to your lower back if lower back pain is an issue for you. You can also prop your feet up and do this, like this. And then you can also give some support to your back if like what you need is more support underneath your back. And I'll try to send some pictures. I don't have the props at home to show you this, but I will try to send some pictures of the way to do this if you do have like all the props, if you have bolsters and blocks and things. So just like this, or with your arms like this. So wherever you are, if you've been trying this out, or if you haven't, maybe pick a comfy spot of floor on your mat to get in one of these Shavasana positions and see how it feels in your body, and maybe try some of those adjustments. Like from here, I know that I tuck my shoulder blades under a little more, and just maybe try to take a few minutes here, and this can be your yoga today. Maybe you're going to try to get in that Shavasana and just sit or lay, I guess, as it would be, in that silence, in that relaxing posture. Maybe try to do this for 10 minutes. Try to see if you can just sit comfortably in this stillness, just here with your breath for 10 minutes. And I find that doing that really helps kind of clear your head and recenter you, and it really kind of turns on the good effects of your parasympathetic nervous system. It can help you calm down and feel relaxed, and help with digestion and relaxation. Just a lot of good benefits, and I posted that thing earlier in the week about why you should do Savasana for 10 minutes, and it really takes, I think, 6 minutes or so, at least 6 minutes or so, to really start tapping into those benefits of what being in this posture does. So if you're only here for 2 or 3 minutes, like, yeah, it feels good, but you're really not getting all the benefits that this pose has to offer. So my challenge or encouragement to you is, when you have the time, I understand that you don't always have the time, but when you do, try to take 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes for this pose. And I promise you, you will not regret it. There's just so many awesome things about being in this pose for 10 minutes and how you're going to feel after. And maybe noticing when you do this for 10 minutes as opposed to when you do a shorter one, how you feel, and see if you can notice the difference. So thank you guys for joining me today for this short tutorial on Savasana. I hope you make this a regular part of your practice, to practice this for as long as you have available. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Namaste.